Then somebody chases me down the road, and I'm the one that gets stopped. I'm the one they chase down the road. Every other week, somebody's going to wind up dying on this highway someday like this. I can't do this no more. I can't do it no more.
All right, here's your information back.
I can't do this no more. Every other week, somebody chases me down this road 100 miles an hour. I'm scared to death all the time. All the time.
Well, you'll have to
what would you do if somebody's chasing you? I don't want to die.
You stop somewhere and call 911, I guess.
With what?
Well, stop somewhere and go inside somewhere and call.
I was running for my life, trying to get someplace where there's somebody at.
Okay. If that was the case, you would have gone inside McDonald's instead of just driving.
I've been there before and they won't help me.
Well, go somewhere else. All right, what I did, I got you a citation for doing 47 miles an hour in a 35-mile-an-hour zone, okay? Your court date is going to be
I've been through this before.
July 16, 2015 at 9:30 in the morning at the Belleville Courthouse.
Because I was chased down this highway. If you check with your, on Saturday nights, you check with your sergeant, I've been escorted out of this town at least 3 times.
Okay. Do you want me to explain court supervision to you?
No.
Okay. Do you understand the ticket?
I understand it.
Okay. You understand your court date is July 16, 2015?
Yeah. Do you understand that I've been chased down this highway numerous times?
I do understand.
I
saw a car behind you. He wasn't that close to you, so.
He was, yeah, that's because I was going faster.
Okay.
That car behind me has chased me 5 different times in this town. Okay. You need to go find him because he's in danger of my life and everybody else on this road.
Okay, well, write down the license plate next time if you get a chance or something, and then maybe we can look into that.
Write down the license. If he's sitting there, holding stuff out the window, how do I know if it's not a gun or not? He's not going to put a bullet through my brain.
Well, then next time go to the police station and we'll...
I'm well known. People are crazy.
Okay, just go to the police station and...
I don't know where it's at.
Well, just turn left down there at Moto Martin. It's just right there on the right. Okay? All right, here's your paperwork. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, why am I getting a ticket? Why did you stop the guy behind me?
Because I had you speeding.
You see me doing with my flashers on, right?
Yeah, that's...
Why'd you think I had them on?
I had no idea.
I was alerting you that something was wrong.
Okay, well, that's why I pulled you over.
Right, because I want your name, because I'm gonna have you in court.
That's fine. Here, I can... My signature's down here, and my last name is Donald. I printed it right there for you.
Right, because I'm going to take it to court.
Okay, that's fine. My badge number is 07.
Right, because next week the same thing's going to happen again. One of these days somebody's going to wind up dying on this road because of this.
Okay, I understand.
I'm scared.
Okay, you're free to go.
Where's my light? Oh, there it is.